If your Amazon listing isn't showing up, it might be search suppressed. Let me show you how to fix it in these easy steps. Also, if you stay until the end of the video, I'm going to be giving you some tips so you can escalate your case to a specific Amazon team that can solve all of these issues and more for you in your Amazon journey. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO and founder of EHP Consulting Group, and my goal is to make you a millionaire and stay a millionaire on Amazon. Let's dive in. So number one, to figure out if your listing is search suppressed, what you're going to do is you're going to find your ASIN. So go into your inventory and find your ASIN. Usually the ASIN starts with B as in boy. You're going to search it into the search bar. If it doesn't show up, that means it's search suppressed. It's that simple. Right when you see this, I want you to screenshot it because you're going to need it for Amazon seller when you contact Amazon seller support. So that's number one. Number two is you can also go into your inventory and you can click listing status and look at search suppressed. Sometimes it shows up here as well. Number two, what causes search suppression? Usually it has to do with your main image, title, description, or price. Usually it's one of these. So double check your main image or title, description, price. This is what it is 99% of the time for most of my clients. Number three, how do you fix search suppression? Well, if it is showing up on the search suppressed page, you can just click fix listing suppression. And as you can see with this one, it'll say it's inactive, or it'll say, here's an issue. Let's go to this one. You need to improve the title quality. So the title quality needs to be better, right? So you need to fix the title. Maybe it has prohibited phrases. The item has the following prohibited phrases, everything you need, which are not compliant. So there you go, you can figure it out right away. But if it doesn't fix and you submit it and you wait 24 hours, it's still not fixed or it's not showing up here, I'm gonna provide the next tip. Tip number four is to do an inventory file update. Now Amazon's going to ask you to do this anyway if you haven't, so make sure that you know how to do it before you contact Amazon seller support. So what you're going to do is you're going to open up your reports and go to inventory reports. Next, you're going to go to category listings report and you're just going to click request report. You're going to refresh it a few times and then after 5 minutes, it should be ready to go. Refresh after 5 minutes and then download the report, open that up. Right when it's opened up, you're going to want to go to catalog, add products via upload. So we're going to go here. And now let's look at the report. So when you open up the report, it's gonna have all of your listings and pretty much all of your listing data. What you wanna do is go back to your item that you wanna fix the suppression with and copy the SKU. So here's the SKU. Now I'm going to do Control F on the report, Control V, make sure there's no spaces, and click Find. And you can see it's the first one right here. So I'm gonna delete all of the other ones, because we just want to update the fix suppression issue. Next, I'm going to click on this button right here, and then I'm going to double click on the letter A next to it so you can see all of the sections that need to be updated. Now you're going to put your status, your title, put your title in there. We know for this one, I believe it was the title or the description was the error. So make sure you have a new title in there. Make sure you have the right description. The product type, put the seller SKU in there. Next, the brand name and column F. This one's going to be the most important. Make sure it's an update. It shouldn't be partial update. It should be a full update. Make sure it's update. Make sure your product, everything in blue. Try to fill in everything in blue and everything that's showing in red. Write your category item, your series, model. If it is a product exemption. So anything in red, if you don't have a main image, put your main image URL in here. Put your, let's say we're doing the description, right? This one doesn't, it looks like it didn't have an image, so that could probably be the issue as well. Description. And there it is. Here's the description, so make sure it has a nice description and fill this into the best of your ability. It doesn't have to be perfect. You're just gonna need this for Amazon to actually fix your issue. So you're gonna save it multiple times once you see that it's filled into the best of your ability, and make sure, again, the most important is gonna be column F. Make sure column F has that update feature there. So then you're going to exit out of here. And we're going to go to the upload feature. You're going to go to upload your spreadsheet. Then you're going to upload your spreadsheet here. You're going to submit your products. And then you're going to copy that batch ID. Now you should already have screenshots that it's not showing up on Amazon. You should also have a screenshot that it's search suppressed. And then finally, we have the batch ID. Now we're going to contact Amazon seller support. So you're going to go to help and get help and resources, and it's going to have all of these. You're going to click my issue is not listed. You're going to say hi batch ID. Hi, please, well, let's do please fix my search suppression issue. You're gonna put your ASIN, you're gonna put your SKU, you're gonna put your batch ID, we're gonna put the ASIN, make sure you put proper spacing. I'm gonna go like this. And then we're gonna put please transfer this to the catalog team. Also, see the attachments on this case and make sure everything's spelled right. I kind of just am going really fast. And we want to do listing not active displaying, or my issue is not listed. You're going to put in your ASIN here. My ASIN is not searchable. You're going to click continue. And now it's telling you that it's missing a browse node. So maybe that could be an issue. You're going to contact an associate. And I know you can call, you can chat, awesome, but we want to open it up via email first. So that way you can add all of the attachments. So you're going to add all the attachments. You're going to add the images that show that it is actually search suppressed and you can't search it. Then once you open up the email, you're going to then call Amazon and you're going to say, hey, can you please transfer this to the catalog team? I would like the catalog team to help me fix this issue. And the catalog team will be then able to fix your issue, given it has the batch ID and everything. So say, hey, can you read my first message? Look at all the attachments and please transfer me to the catalog team. Catalog team can then tackle it from there and help you get it resolved as quickly as possible. And for staying towards the end of the video, here are my pro little tips for escalating the issue. Now, when you first contact Amazon, you're going to be with the seller support team. They might say they can fix it, but they cannot fix it. Be like, hey, please transfer me to the catalog team, right? And that's why you do want to do phone call. Via chat, they usually don't escalate it. Via email, they will. It'll just take a lot of time. But if you want to get this fixed quick, you're going to want to do a phone call. So you do a phone call, and the catalog team does have phone call abilities. So you're going to say transfer to the catalog team. I have a batch ID. It's a batch ID issue. And then seller support is going to be like, oh gosh, batch ID, crazy. So the escalation team, when you escalate to the catalog team, they'll be able to fix it. Just give them the batch ID, the information, look at the screenshots, and go from there. If they can't fix it, you can escalate it. And this can help you just in Amazon in general on what teams you can escalate it to. The leadership team is one of the OG teams, and the brand registry team is pretty much one of the most powerful teams at Amazon, if you can contact them as well. But the catalog team there's a 99.9 percentile chance that the catalog team is going to be able to resolve it, because we've resolved this issue plenty and plenty more times. And that's it for today's video. I really appreciate you watching. If you did learn something new, drop a like. And if you're already an Amazon seller, I highly recommend you subscribe to the channel, because we're giving you great info to solve your Amazon problems and to increase your sales on Amazon. Drop a comment below if you want us to create a video for you, or if you have a question. And feel free to contact EHP Consulting Group if you need help with Amazon, Walmart, eBay, or Etsy. Our #1 service right now is our full Amazon A to Z management service, where we'll manage your inventory, advertising, and customer service, plus a whole lot more to make sure you're increasing your sales on Amazon. Contact us, link in the description for more. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.